Here are the 10 tips you need to know before buying a washing machine. 1. Determine your needs. Do you need a front load or top load washing machine? 2. Consider the washing machine's capacity that suits your needs. 3. Make sure the washing machine has energy-saving features. 4. Check for temperature and spin speed settings. 5. Ensure the washing machine has a drum cleaning feature. 6. Choose a washing machine with a good water control system. 7. Select a washing machine that is easy to use. 8. Check for washing machine noise. 9. Make sure the washing machine has an adequate warranty. 10. Don't forget to check consumer reviews and recommendations before buying. We hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.